Welcome to Year 2. This is the Meet the Teacher presentation, and we're just going to go over a few things that we think would be useful for the year ahead.
Our school ethos is based on our initials, WCLA, and as you can see there, they are welcoming, community, limitless and aspirations. All the children are encouraged to engage with these qualities, and this is how we want the children to view our school as a welcoming place where they are part of a community, where their learning is limitless and we have high aspirations. We also have 3 golden rules that are embedded throughout the school, right from nursery up to Year 6, and these are be ready, be respectful and be safe. And the children are awarded feathers for showing these rules, and we encourage them every day, and this is the language that we use in the classrooms. We also are a rights respecting school, and we follow the UNICEF children's rights. We're currently bronze rights award winners, and we're working towards our silver rights as well. We're part of the Learning Partnership, which gives all the children and staff lots of opportunities for extra learning.
There are 2 classes across Year 2, Amsterdam class, where the teacher is Miss Hillard, myself, and the teaching assistant is Miss Valente, and Helsinki class, where the class teacher is Mrs. Colshaw, and the teaching assistant is Mrs. O. There are other teachers that your children will be coming into contact with each week, and that is Miss Friesner, and the sports coaches, it will usually be Mr. Bateman for PPA cover.
Okay, there may be times when you want to contact us as staff. First port of call really is if you are dropping off your child in the morning. There will always be a member of staff on the Year 2 door, and that's between 8:40 and 8:50. If your child goes to Swan Stars, you could leave a message with the Swan Stars staff, and they will get that to us as well. If it is a little bit more in-depth or confidential, we encourage you to email school, and all correspondence will be sent to us via email, and we will get back to you within 2 days to discuss the issue or arrange a meeting if we need to. This is a really good way of giving us, information that you feel like might impact your child's day.
And this is a few ways that we will be communicating with yourselves. Any important dates, events, important information for the week ahead, you will usually find on either the school website, the weekly learning poster, the newsletter, and anything that's a quick reminder will be sent on text message. And then we will communicate with you about your child's attainment and progress at school and how they're getting on through our parents' evenings and also reports as well.
Reading is really important at Church Lane, and we really do have high expectations when it comes to reading. Your child will read to an adult once per week. This might be a member of staff, or it might be an adult helper. And they will have opportunities to change their books on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. That doesn't mean they have to change their books on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday, it's just that they have the opportunity to do so. We do encourage the children to reread books. A study from the EEF, which is the Education Endowment Foundation, found that rereading texts improved progress in fluency and comprehension. So we are really taking that on board. Children will be assessed regularly and moved up levels when we as class teachers feel that their fluency and comprehension warrants the next level. And this is usually done once a half term. Regarding yourselves, we do expect the children to read at home, because regular reading, again, has been educationally beneficial to them, and we do expect them to read to you as an adult or a adult 3 times a week, and this is recorded in their reading diaries. So thank you for your support in that.
And here we just have an overview of what our week looks like at school, lesson-wise. So there will be 5 lessons of maths, and that will always be in the morning. 5 lessons of English, spelling and guided reading will be in the middle session before lunch, and then in the afternoon we have our more foundation subjects, so such as history, geography, science, RE, PSHE, and PE as well.
Thank you very much.